Do you want to make these delicious Japanese recipes too? Well, you are in for a treat. All you need is 2 ingredients and 20 minutes. You can easily make it and freeze in batches and defrost before using. Dashi soup stock is the base of so many yummy and delicious meals. However, if you are short on time, you can buy the concentrate version too. Just add water. Here are the bonito flakes and seaweed. Combine 4 cups of cold water with the dried kelp. Steep for 4 to 5 hours. Any longer, steep in the refrigerator overnight. On medium-low, bring it to almost boiling. Remove the dried kelp. Now, add the bonito flakes. Once it starts to boil, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 30 seconds. Then turn off the heat. Strain the mixture. This keeps in the fridge for 5 days or in the freezer for 2 weeks. I made this with this dashi. Click here for the link to the video. In a later video, I will show you how to make homemade furikake or rice seasoning, so make sure you don't throw away your spent bonito flakes and dried kelp.